there's a high school where, and it's amazing that, because I go to different football games and things like that, and someone met me, he was a teacher, and he said, I'm part of, I'm the teacher sponsor for one of the clubs that happens to compete on small businesses called DECA. And yeah, it's a really cool group. And he said, he was explaining to me that he was concerned about his students' level of confidence going into the state competition. And he was like, can you come in and do something to just get them pumped up? And da-da-da. Sure, no problem. Didn't know about DECA to begin with, did my research on DECA. Knew something about the students, and so came in and I presented something called Lemmings to Leaders. And I took them through a process of what it's like to actually go from not knowing who you are as a leader to becoming more comfortable in your own skin. Make a long story short, they went off to their competition. They thought they were going to do like this dismally. They ended up placing in the top 3 in some categories, as well as, you know, I actually ran into a student at a book signing, and she's like, "We came in 7th place because I remember you came and spoke to us." So you know, they were feeling good about themselves. So that's just an example of the kind of work that I do as either a workshop trainer or a motivational speaker.